everyone, and thanks for getting locked in with Key. I'm your girl Key, and today in this video, we're going to learn how I create my acai bowls. So, let's go. What is acai? So first off, acai is a superfood. It's a fruit. It looks kind of like a blueberry, but it is not sold here in America, the actual fruit. It's not sold here because of how delicate it is. It's sold in South America, but we can get it in the States as a powder, you can get it as a peel, or you can get it as a frozen pulp. I like to use it as a frozen pulp, of course, because I like to do my acai bowls and it just makes it thick, creamy, and delicious. All right, so before we get started, I just want to give you a little bit of background of my why. Why am I creating an acai bowl video? So the reason why I'm creating one is because while I was working at school, I used to order them all the time. I never truly did the background or thought about making them myself at home and how easy it is to make them at home. I was spending like $17 on them because it's a superfood. So therefore my friend, she made one, shout out to Demi. And when she made one, I was like, girl, how did you make that? So she gave me her ingredients and I started to do research on it and I was like, oh, I can make this at home. So once I started making it, a lot of people had questions about it. So I was like, let me make a video about my acai bowls. So here we go.
Step 1, I like to get my acai fruit and I like to break it up just to be a little bit more user friendly for my blender. Now, sometimes I find that my acai fruit is a little bit too hard from being in the freezer. So you can just run hot water over it to make it a little bit more manageable. I then squeeze it in my blender just like it is a frozen popsicle. I then take a half a cup of frozen blueberries and place it in the blender. And also a half a cup of frozen bananas. Now this could be mangoes or anything you like. At this point, I pour my Simply almond milk into the blender. I usually use about a half a cup, but it's up to you. It's up to how thick or how loose you want your bowl. At this point, you can add any powders you would like to add. I only added some collagen just because I already had some this morning and I just needed one more scoop for the day. At this point, you want to blend. So blending is up to you. For me, I like mine thick, so I just keep checking on it to make sure it's thick. So now I pour it in my bowl, and this is the fun part. You start to decorate with your favorite fruits and seeds. Right here, I'm adding bananas. Bananas is my favorite, as you can see, but you can add any type of fruit you want to add. Just have fun with it. Here you see me start to add blueberries. I love the combination of bananas and blueberries. I don't know why, but it's just my kryptonite. I just love it. Then I added some strawberries, of course. You can't have bananas without strawberries. I don't know why. You have to. Of course, some chia seeds. I like chia seeds because they're very light and you can't really taste them. I added some granola. I love honey granola. It just gives the bowl a crunch. Some almond flakes, which is just delicious. And some coconut flakes. I actually got those from Sprouts, so if anybody wants to know.
So here we have our bowl. And let me go ahead and try it. I love the surprise you get with every bite. It's just like a new surprise. Just to let y'all know, I like coconut meat, but Sprouts ran out of coconut meat. Try it. It's like the best thing ever. However, comment down below what you want to put in your acai bowl. Like, comment down below what you will put. Like, as you can tell, I love coconut. Coconut, anything. This is so filling. So good. And easy. It's like so quick to make. What I like to do is once I get my groceries and I get all my fruits and my veggies, I just go ahead and cut them up, put them in a plastic bag, and keep them down below in my refrigerator. And then all my frozen fruits, I like to just go ahead and put them in a bag. The ones that I know that I want to use or how I want to use them. But girl, or dude, whoever's watch this is everything. And I like mine thick. I don't like mine watery, so make it how you want it. Make it how you want it.
Now to shout out my YouTube channel for the day, Simply Shy BSN. Thank you so much for the support, and go to her channel, like, comment, and subscribe, of course. And the Instagram page for the day is Infused Strong Water by my girl Lauren. I have had her waters and her smoothies, and they are delish and so refreshing. Make sure you stop by and follow. And thanks for always reposting and supporting my content.
So, as you can tell, I just shouted out a YouTube and an Instagram page. So, in order for you to be shouted out on my channel, go to my Instagram page, which is listed up here. And once you go there, it gives you under the highlights how to be shouted out. I shout out a Instagram and a YouTube page every Saturday. So the Saturday videos that I upload on Saturdays most likely will have a shout out. So I'm praying that it's you. So don't forget to comment down below what you will put on your acai bowl. So next time, on my next video, you'll see the ordinary chemical peel, which is like the rave right now. And also coming soon, the date night cook with me, get ready with me. So yeah, you guys are gonna get to see how I create my date night during this time of quarantine. I hope you guys all stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also hit that notification bell. And I want to thank everybody for 2K views on my apartment tour. That was like everything. If you missed it, link is right here. Click here, click here. And then for old videos, you can click over here and subscribe right here. So see y'all later. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for getting locked with Key.